Meaning of domesticated.
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 Domesticated. The term domesticated refers to the process by which wild animals, plants, or other organisms are selectively bred and trained by humans to live alongside them as companions, sources of food or labor. This process results in organisms that are more docile, predictable, and better suited for human use. Domesticated animals may have physical and behavioral traits that differ from their wild counterparts, and may be dependent on humans for survival. Domestication has had profound impacts on human society, allowing for the development of agriculture, transportation, and other industries that rely on domesticated organisms.